All right, so we are about to unbox Dogami 6237. We just unboxed Dogami 6236, which is a French bulldog puppy and had orange eyes, which is very cute. And let's go with unboxing this next one. All right, and so as you can see, the traits and properties, we've got the ranking. Oh, and it says your Dogami is coming, so the multiverses are connecting, and our puppy will arrive safely in shortly. All right, so we've got the breed, the fur color, the eye color, the dominant personality, tells us what percentage of dogs have this property, and its recessive personality. And then we've got the vitality, the intelligence, the robustness, obedience, friendliness, and bonding. So I am excited to see what 6237 has in store. Okay, and let's reveal our Dogami. Oh, we got something cool. Oh. What is it? Oh, this is sick.
Is it a diamond? Could be a diamond. Could it be? Could it be?
A diamond? I don't know. It's a silver. We got a husky. Oh, that is. Oh, whoa! Look at this. 2 different eye colors.
Oh,
that's crazy.
Oh,
damn! Look at that fur. We got a super. It's ranked 1361. It's a husky, chocolate and white #1. It's always going to be #1. This one, and blue and brown. And it's jolly. It's shy. It's its recessive personality. And we see its vitality, its intelligence, top 47%. All right. Robustness, top 9. Obedience, top 80. So it's not obedience, breaking the rules. It's building companies, probably. And then friendliness, 42%. And bonding, looks like it's top ranked. So this is exciting. All right. This might be the new mascot of BFF.